Hi, Stephen Terpak from Sutter and Terpak. We are a personal injury and employment law firm located in Fairfax County, Virginia, and this is our video newsletter. The topic of today's newsletter is maximizing your recovery in personal injury cases using medical payments coverage. So I have an email here I'd like to read to you, but before I do, I have to give you a little legal disclaimer. There is no substitute for a one-on-one consultation with an attorney licensed in your state. We are Virginia attorneys talking about Virginia law, and this video is for informational purposes only. But with that being said, let's go through the email and see if we can't provide some information. So the email is, hello Mr. Terpak, I was in a car crash and my insurance company told me they are taking care of the medical bills and that the other driver's insurance would take care of the property damage. Why is my insurance taking care of the medical bills instead of his insurance company? So the answer is that they're probably not telling you the whole story. Surprise, surprise, your insurance company may have left something out. And what they're leaving out is that what you have is probably called medical payments coverage. It's something that you purchased as an extra part of your policy. It's not required under Virginia state law, but it is heavily regulated by Virginia state law, and it can provide a tremendous amount of benefits to you. So you need to know the ins and outs to utilize it fully. So let me give you an example. Say you were in a crash and you had a $1,000 hospital bill, and that entire $1,000 hospital bill was paid by your health insurance. Well, you can use your medical payments coverage to pay that entire amount again, but this time it doesn't go to the hospital, it comes directly to you. Also, you can still make a claim against the other driver's insurance company for that same medical bill and, of course, what other expenses you have as a result of the crash. And so for personal injury cases, you have the injury itself, the medical bills, inconvenience, lost wages, and of course, the pain and suffering. The other thing that you need to know about medical payments coverage is that it's automatically multiplied by the number of cars you have on the policy. So if you've purchased $5,000 of medical payments coverage under your policy and you have 3 vehicles, that's $15,000 worth of coverage. Not only that, but each person who's injured in your vehicle is entitled to that full $15,000. So you can see how that will add up quickly, and if you're in a position where you have great health insurance and med pay coverage, and also the other driver is liable for everything, well, you can have a triple recovery. So if the insurance adjuster from your company says, we'll take care of the medical bills, they'll do the property damage, well, that's great, because if the other driver's insurance has already agreed to take care of the property damage, that means they believe that they are liable. But what they're leaving out is that you can also make a claim against them for everything and your own insurance company using the MedPay coverage. So a lot of times when you speak with an insurance company, they will put your mind at ease and you think you're getting the full story, but it's always important to kind of check into it, because you could be leaving a lot of money on the table, and that is something that you don't want to do. So if you have a question about a Virginia legal case, you can call our office and set up a consultation. In personal injury cases, the first half-hour consultation is free. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.